In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Gmail account to Hubspot. Whether you're an experienced Hubspot user or just getting started, integrating your Gmail will streamline your communications within this powerful platform. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Hubspot website. If you're new to Hubspot, their homepage offers a comprehensive overview of their business tools and services. But for today's purpose, we'll focus only on logging into the platform. On the homepage, locate the login button. This is typically found in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Click on it to enter your Hubspot credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up before proceeding with these steps. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the Hubspot home dashboard. Now, your dashboard might look a little different depending on the services your account has access to, but the essential components are the same. Look for the marketplace icon, often represented by a small shop or grid icon located on the navigation bar. Click it to open the marketplace. In the marketplace, you'll see a range of apps and services available to enhance your HubSpot experience. For our task today, click on the Apps section. This will filter out non-app options, focusing our search to find our desired integration, Gmail. Now type Gmail into the search bar provided at the top of the marketplace page. This should bring up several Gmail-related options. Browse through the listed results until you find the official Gmail app. Click on this to proceed. With the Gmail app selected, you'll be taken to a detailed page about its features and benefits. Here you can learn how integrating Gmail into HubSpot can save time by allowing you to track and manage emails directly from the platform. When you're ready to move forward, locate the Install App button and click it. Installing the app will prompt you to follow some on-screen instructions to complete the integration. It usually involves authorizing HubSpot to access your Gmail account, ensuring everything is connected securely. Follow these steps carefully, as granting the correct permissions is crucial for seamless functionality. And there we have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your Gmail account to HubSpot. Now you can manage your emails more effectively, keep track of client communications, and enjoy the myriad of benefits that come with this integration. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to explore more on our channel for a broader range of HubSpot tips and tricks. Until next time, happy integrating.